Welcome to Linux Help. Today we are going to see how to install Typing Tutor on Debian 11.3. A Typing Tutor is an application that can permit us to learn and test our typing skills. There are numerous popular Typing Tutor applications that can run effectively on Debian. In this tutorial, let us see the installation of two of the most popular Typing Tutor applications, Clevaro and TuxType. Today we are going to see how to install Typing Tutor on Debian. So first I will check the OS version. I am using Debian version 11. Next install the Clevaro by using following commands. After install the Clevaro, next check the version of the Clevaro. The Clevaro version for 3.11. Once the installation has been completed, next to open the application of your terminals. So run the Clevaro. This is the main menu page for the Clevaro. Next now I am going to click the speed test on the Typing Tutor. Press any keys to start the experience. You can type the word you will test on your typing skill. You will show for the passage screen. Next now I am going to install the second method of the TuxType. So install the TuxType. After install the TuxType, next go to the menu bar and to search the TuxType. You will see the TuxType application and click and open. You will choose the options and you can type and test your typing skills. So this is the step you can follow for the how to install Typing Tutor on Debian version 11.3 has been completed.
Thank you for watching this video, and if you like it, please subscribe to our channel. To learn more tutorials, visit www.linuxhelp.com, and if you have any queries, mail us to support@linuxhelp.com.